How to hide birthday on Snapchat. Here's how to hide your birthday on Snapchat so your friends won't get birthday notification or see the cake emoji next to your name. So first of all, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Once inside the Snapchat app, simply tap on the Bitmoji icon of yours at the top left corner of your screen and navigate to your profile. Now once on your profile, tap on the settings icon available at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to your Snapchat settings. So now here inside the settings, scroll down and look for the birthday option available there. And once you find the birthday, simply tap on it. You will see toggle that says birthday party, turn it off. This stops Snapchat from showing the cake emoji next to your name and sending birthday notifications to your friends. Your birth date will still be saved in your account, but it won't be shared with others. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.